Welcome to today's video, where we'll guide you through the fastest way to become a cybersecurity engineer. Whether you're just starting or looking to switch careers, these steps will accelerate your journey into the world of cybersecurity. 1. Understand the basics. Begin by understanding the basics of cybersecurity. Lived experiences teach us that a solid foundation is crucial. Familiarize yourself with concepts like encryption, firewalls, and network protocols. 2. Pursue relevant education. The second step is pursuing relevant education. Obtain a degree in computer science, information technology, or a related field. This foundational knowledge is essential for a successful career in cybersecurity. 3. Gain hands-on experience. Gain hands-on experience through internships or entry-level positions. This step provides real-world exposure and hones your practical skills. Overcoming common pain points, like a lack of experience, is achievable through this hands-on approach. 4. Acquire certifications. Acquire industry-recognized certifications. Certifications such as CompTIA, Security Plus, CIST, and SE enhance your credibility. Pro tip: these certifications can significantly impact your earning potential, often by 25% or more. 5. Develop specialized skills. Develop specialized skills in areas like penetration testing, incident response, or threat hunting. Focusing on a niche area makes you stand out and increases your value in the cybersecurity field. 6. Build a network. Networking is not just about computers. It's also about connections. Attend cybersecurity conferences, join online forums, and connect with professionals in the field. Building a network opens doors to opportunities and shared experiences. 7. Stay informed. The seventh step is staying informed. Cyber threats evolve rapidly. Regularly read industry blogs, follow cybersecurity experts on social media, and participate in webinars to stay ahead of the curve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more cybersecurity insights, and thank you for watching. Good luck on your journey to becoming a cybersecurity engineer.